Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to do a hard reset through settings on ZTE Blade A32. So you have to start by opening your settings application and now scroll down and click on System. Now click Advanced and then Reset Options, and here you have to choose Delete all data factory reset, and now you can choose if you want to erase SD card or not, and then press erase all data. Now click erase all data again, and your hard reset process has started. And your hard reset process is now complete, and you have to do a phone setup all over again. So that's it for this video. If you liked it, please remember to leave a like and subscribe.